Welcome. If you found your way here, you may be seeking healing, comfort, and peace after the journey of a breast cancer treatment. Whether you're recovering from chemotherapy, coping with physical or emotional pain, or simply needing a moment of calm, know that you're in the right place. This guided meditation is a gentle space created for you. It is designed to help soothe your body, nurture your soul, and remind you of your inner strength as you move towards a full recovery. Through breathwork, healing visualizations, and self compassion, we will embark on a path of deep restoration together. This is your time to reconnect with your body and invite in the healing energy that you deserve. So let's take a deep breath and let's begin this journey of healing, one breath at a time. Let us begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Take a moment to adjust your posture. Ensure your spine is straight and your body feels supported. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each inhale, visualize yourself drawing in healing energy. With each exhale, release any tension, anxiety, or lingering effects from the chemotherapy. Breathe in. Pause for 2 seconds. Now exhale anything that you wish to rid yourself of. Slow and controlled, empty out your lungs. Very good. Breathe in. Deep through your nose, filling up your belly, and hold for just 2 seconds. And breathe out. Just releasing all tension and anxiety. One more time. Breathe in. Pause and breathe out. Slow and controlled. We're in no rush here. Now, gently close your eyes and let's set a clear intention for this meditation. Okay? Welcome healing, peace, and restoration into every cell of my body. I trust in my body's ability to heal. Now, let us begin with breath work. We're gonna start by engaging in gentle rhythmic breathing, 4-4-8 breathing, which entails inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4 counts, and extending the exhale for twice as long, 8 counts. Okay? As you breathe, visualize pure healing light entering your body on the inhale. Let us begin. Breathe in the light. Hold. And exhale. Very good. Let's begin again. Inhale in. Hold. Slowly exhale. Remember that as you breathe, you're visualizing a pure healing light entering your body on the inhale. See it flowing into your chest and nourishing your breast tissue and surrounding areas. Breathe in. Hold. And remember, with each exhale, we are releasing any toxic residue from the chemotherapy, along with any fear, pain, or stress. Let it just dissolve into the earth. Breathe out. Very good. Let's inhale the healing light. Breathe in. Hold. As you imagine this light expanding, this healing light expanding throughout the parts of your body that need it most. Exhale out. Let us continue. Inhale the light. See it expanding in your chest, in near the breast tissue, and anywhere else where you might need this healing. And exhale out. Very good. Let's inhale again. Hold. And breathe out. Releasing any of the toxins that may be still residing in your body. Fear, pain, and stress must go out the window with your breath. In again. Hold. As you gather up all these toxins to release, and breathe it out. Very good. As you continue to breathe in deeply, visualize a gentle, warm light surrounding your chest and breast area. This light is golden, soft, and soothing. Imagine this golden light penetrating deep into your cells. Continue to breathe in and out deeply in the pattern we have selected. Breathing in through your nose, seeing this light rejuvenating the tissues, breathing out the toxins. Breathe in the light, see it reducing inflammation, and breathing out. Breathe in again, strengthening your immune system. And breathe out. Strength, supporting your body and flushing out any remaining toxins from chemotherapy. Breathe out. Now imagine your cells beginning to vibrate with new energy. Each cell is glowing with vitality, working harmoniously to heal and restore balance. Continue to breathe in, hold, and feel gratitude for your body and the treatment you've undergone, knowing that every part of you is working towards full recovery. Breathe out. Continue breathing as you shift your awareness to your heart center, that energetic space in the middle of your chest. Gently place a hand on this area. As you breathe in, imagine a soft pink or green healing light expanding from your heart. Breathe in the light, filling your body with unconditional love and compassion. Hold and now breathe out. Feel this light expanding in your chest area. Breathe in, hold, and say to yourself, I release any fear, anger, or resentment tied to my illness. Breathe out. Breathe in the pink light. Feel it expanding in your chest as you hold. Set that intention. I forgive myself and my body for any perceived weakness. Breathe out. Allow any emotions that are rising to the surface as you continue to breathe in this pattern, knowing that it is safe to feel and release them. Picture this pink or green light soothing not only your physical body, but also your mind, emotions, restoring balance and peace. Continue to breathe in through the nose, deep into your chest. Hold. Now breathe out, empty out those lungs. Slow and controlled as we're focusing on our healing. There is no rush here. Let us continue to focus on our heart chakra. During this stage, I'd like you to visualize this light spinning, this green light in the center of your chest glowing brightly. As it spins, it pulls in healing energy and radiates love throughout your body, specifically focusing on your chest and breast. Wow. Let us focus on strengthening our heart chakra. Breathe in. And on the exhale, I'd like you to repeat the word, chant the word. Yeah. Breathe in again, our green light. See it pulling in all this healing energy towards the areas of your body that need it most. Breathe out. Yeah. Breathe in again. See that light expanding. Feel that healing. Let us breathe out. Yeah. Continue to focus on your heart center. Breathing in. Seeing that light expand. Feel that healing energy expanding everywhere that your body needs. Breathe out. Now let us focus on our affirmations. Breathe in and hold. Lock up everything, including your root chakra called the Mula Bandha. and say within yourself, I trust in the divine power within me to heal and restore my body to its natural state of health. And breathe out. Breathe in again. Hold and lock up everything, including your heart. I am whole. I am healed. I am grateful for the love and support around me. And breathe out. Continue to breathe at this pace, breathing in through the nose. Hold. Breathe out slow and controlled. Allow a sense of calm and peace to settle over your knowing that your body is supported in its healing journey. Breathing in through the nose, holding, and breathing out. Like a sense of calm and peace settling over your body. You are being supported and healed. Let us slowly bring our awareness back to our breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Take a moment to thank your body for its strength and resilience. Thank yourself for committing to your healing journey. Breathe in, gratitude, knowing that you are healing, and breathe out, slow and controlled. Continue to focus on the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Breathe in, and hold, and breathe out. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace and healing with you into your day.